Now we will do Williamson turn. This is used for man overboard. If someone reports to you man overboard, but you cannot see him. If you cannot see him, maybe there was a time delay, or it could be bad visibility, fog, or darkness. So you want the ship to come back to the same place. So here, ship was here. Someone reported to you man overboard, but you cannot see him. So what you can do is you alter course by 60 degrees on any side. Let's say you alter to 60 degrees here, and as soon as she becomes steady on 60 degrees, you give in port helm. So then you give opposite helm to starboard, and once the ship course become reciprocal to the original course, then you steady the course, and the ship will come on the same extended course line, and later on it will come back to the same point. So for example, if your initial course was 090 and you want to alter to port, so you alter till the new course becomes how much? 090 minus 60. This angle is 60. So original course should become 030. As soon as it becomes 030, gives opposite helm, in this case starboard helm, till the next new course becomes how much? Reciprocal of the original course. This was the original course. So reciprocal, new course will become westerly, 270. Then steady course. And then slowly you will come back to the same point. So steps are the same. The first step would be to release the live buoy on the bridge, which has got your smoke and light. And second would be to commence the turn, Williamson turn. Third would be general alarm, inform master, and ship speed has to be reduced. And once the ship comes back to the original course, you can keep plotting the ship on the or monitoring the ship's position on the electronic chart. And here, ship speed should be slowed down, and then keep searching for the man. Now, man has probably will be in this area after the original position of the ship. You have to keep searching like this. This is also true for missing man. If some man is missing, in that case also you don't know where he is. He could be missing for 2-3 hours. He could be somewhere here. So you have to do Williamson turn so that you come back to the original course line and then start searching for it. Now, how will you come to know someone is missing on the ship? The answer is when he does not report for duty. So, how long will you search? Now, for this, what you have to do is he has not reported for duty. Your first action would be to send someone, maybe he's not well, he's sleeping or in the washroom. Okay, half an hour maximum you can search. If you still cannot find him, your next action would be general alarm, because possibly he is not on the ship. And then you search for how long? Whatever, 2 hours, 3 hours maximum. If you cannot find him in 3 hours, you probably never find him. So if you cannot find him in 3 hours, with the full ship crew searching, you can distribute duties to search various sectors of the ship. Then you have to assume that he is overboard. And at that point, you have to commence the Williamson turn and continue searching. Now, for how long will you search? How many hours? So, for that, you will have to interview the full crew who saw him last. Now, today is 11th July. Let's say someone say I saw him on 10th July 2300 hours. Someone might say I saw him on 10th July 2330 hours. So interview the full crew. Someone might say he saw him at 10th July 2000 hours. So we see which is the latest time. Now let's see, this is the latest time. And now after searching 3 hours, etc., etc., now the time is, let's say, 11th July 0800 hours. This is the time when you started the Williamson time. Now for how many hours you will search? Now let's say ship was here, you started the Williamson time, and here it was 11th July 0800 hours. And you started this. So keep monitoring the address. When the ship comes to the same position, from here you have to search him for this minus this. So roughly it will come to 8.5 hours. So from here you have to search for 8.5 hours, because let's say ship was here at 10th July 2330 hours. Someone had seen him. So he must have fallen somewhere between this area, this point, and this point. So we have to search this area. This area is roughly this minus this. You can say 11th July 0800 hours minus 10th July 2330 hours. So this many hours, roughly 8.5 hours, you have to, once the ship comes to this place where you started the turn, from this place you have to go back 8.5 hours and search for it.